Okay, here we go. This is a really good one right now. Just called Credit One. And here's what happened, okay? So I've had this Credit One since 2020, so I got 3 years of age of credit. So I called them up and I noticed, hey, there's some bill that is recurring. It was like an $8 bill. $8, no big deal, right? Because it said annual fee on there, $8 annual fee. But guess what? This $8 was showing up every single month, and I had to do ACH, debits in order to pay for this $8 fee. I'm like, okay, I don't think it's an $8 fee per year. It's probably like $100, right? Close to $100, 99 because it was eight and change. So I call him up. I'm like, I'm not gonna mess with this card. I don't need to pay $100 a month. This is a Credit One card. So I call him up, and it routes me over to India or to Philippines, and I say, look, I want a credit line increase. And the girl's like, no. And I said, okay, well, how about you waive the annual fee, which was $99? And the girl's like, no. And I said, okay, well, I'm closing this account. So this is really good. So I get transferred. This is a good sign. You get transferred over to another woman in the Philippines, and I said, look, I'm not paying this $100 because my credit line is too low for this $100. And she's like, okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get rid of your annual fee, and next year you're not gonna be charged an annual fee. And for this month, we're gonna go ahead and not have you pay your monthly fee because it's like 99 divided by 12. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase your credit line by 50%. Just don't close your account. I said, okay, I'll do that. So, anyone right now that has a Credit One credit card, why don't you give it a try? By the way, when you ask for a credit line increase, the first woman I spoke to, she denied me. She said, no, I'm not giving you a credit line increase. She actually did a soft inquiry, otherwise known as a soft pull. She said, I'm not giving you this. You don't qualify. You'll get a letter in the mail. You'll get something in your inbox, something in your email, something on your dashboard that says you've been denied. After the transfer of phone call, 50% increase on my credit limit effective immediately. Hey, give it a try. Love you guys.